Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jose, back again. Got another review for you guys. I got 2 more packages from Amazon. Let's see what we got. Check it out. Alright, so as everybody knows, I've been having issues with my sciatic nerve in my back, so I ain't been carrying inside the waistband lately. I've been carrying my SIG P320 compact with a subcompact frame that I did the swap out for the grip module. It's got the golf ball stipple, or the Spalding stipple on it, like I like to call it. And this right here is going to be for my Glock 27. I've been wanting to carry that a little bit more often. So let's see what we got. All right. Now, I did order this product from Amazon this time, and Amazon is always good. You know what I mean? It took only 2 days for it to come in. It wasn't too bad. Now, this product is called, I bought this on Amazon, like I said. This was 24 bucks. And as you can see, this is a IFK infused Edc holster. This is made in USA. They've got it branded all over the front of the pamphlet. On the back, we've got satisfaction, 100% guaranteed, 30-day returns, plus a 1-year warranty. Let's see. This is a infused Edc USA outside the waistband basic range holster is what it says. This is a matte black Edc right-handed holster. It fits Gen 3 through Gen 5 Glocks, 40 calibers. So if anybody doesn't know, that is the 27, 23, 22. Let's break this thing open. Use this for something else. So as of right now, I like the size. I like the size of it. It's not very big. As you can see, this is my hand. This is the holster. That is not very big. Not very big at all. I like that. I hate when you get a holster and you order one and they send you a holster that's for a Glock 19 size for the slide, and you got a 26 and it's coming all the way up to here, and then everything up to here you got sweat shields and all that. I like holsters like this. I tuck my shirt in. I wear a shirt inside, and then I wear my regular apparel shirt. So I like, you know what I mean? I like holsters like this. I don't care too much about the gun rubbing against my side. I do stipple all of my guns now since that first video, and I don't do too much of an aggressive stipple because I can get a fairly good grip on all my firearms, but I like this. This is nice. What I don't like are these. I don't care too much for these 1.5 inch belt loops. I like the quick release. So saying that leads me into this next bag. In this bag, you guys have seen this before. These are outside the waistband speed clips, 1.5 inch belt clips. These are from holsterbuilder.com. If you watched my last video, you guys will see that I am very fond of these guys. They have great product, great material. The plastic is made great. Like I said, that is from holsterbuilder.com. That's their website right there. Go check them out. They do have the satisfaction guarantee, 100%. Like I said, they do have the 100% satisfaction guarantee. Now these clips, like I said, they are called speed clips. They are black. I don't think they come in a different color. I wouldn't get them in a different color because I pretty much always have black holster. On the contrary, the holster that I'm actually wearing right now for my Glock 27 is my skin complexion, so it's like a desert tan color. Now these speed clips, like I said, they are pretty thick. They're pretty thick on how they're made. They do have direction letters on them, so you got right and you got left. All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead and take these off, install these, and then we'll do a sizing for the gun to make sure the holster fit. Now I have not sized this on my gun yet, but I'm a pretty trustworthy guy, and if not, I send it back. Alright, so the holster builder speed clips do come with hardware. Comes with everything you need to swap out the factory hardware, which come to say that this is a two-piece Kydex holster. Okay, so it is two pieces pressed together. So I'm sure once I take these Allen key nuts screws out. Now I don't like Allen key. Everybody has a Phillip. Everybody has a flathead. I would definitely go with one of those. It's easier to get to. If you fondling with something, last thing you want to do is have your belt loop come off, and you got to find an Allen key to fit it. So, even though everybody has Allen keys, like what I like to do is I like to get everything set, put everything where it's at, count all the pieces, make sure they're all there. 4, 4, and 4. That's for 2 on this side, 2 on this side. All right. Let's go ahead and take this off. My little screwdriver. Set those in a different spot. Set it somewhere else. Now what I am going to do is, since these are two separate pieces, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this screw in, this bottom for right now. Leave it down there, set that aside. Do the same thing on this side. Hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. Got 4th of July coming tomorrow. Hope everybody's gonna have a safe one. Everybody's gonna be smart. If you do go out with your family and you can carry your firearm, make sure you do that. Because unfortunately, during the holiday months and days, we do have those people out there that want to take advantage of family men and women that take care of their families, and they think everybody's willing to become a victim. And hopefully, if you're a subscriber to the channel and you're a Second Amendment advocate, you carry, whether it's a knife, taser, firearm, I don't care if it's a baseball bat. Make sure you're willing to protect your family at all costs. Alright, so I've got those off. I'm going to go ahead and change the tip of my bit. And this is a little, this is like a little $5 set that I got from Walmart. And I say, and it comes with like 50 different, tips that you can put on it, and I like it. It works perfectly fine. It does everything I needed to do, whether it's tighten down something inside the house, or let me see. Yes, so this is the left side. Or if I need to do something at work, it gets the job done, most definitely. What I like to do is I like to get everything started by finger, Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. Let me go ahead and bring you guys up just a little bit. There we go. Now you guys can see everything. Alright, we'll go ahead and tighten this side down a little bit. I like the fact that even though these components, this holster and these quick clips were supplied by two separate companies, the holes line up perfectly. So same thing I did on this side. Now that I've got this on, I'm going to go ahead and take this bottom one off, because I won't be needing it. Now the difference between this one and the Bravo concealment holster that I had got, the Bravo concealment holster has 2 extra holes down here, and you could actually, you know, choose your ride height. Now, since the 27 is a smaller firearm, it's going this should be perfectly fine. So just wanted to mention that right there. So the same thing I did on that side, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Take this clip. You see, it says right side. And all you're gonna do is, like I said, I'm hand threading the screws in. Get them started like that. Now you can use some blue Loctite or some red Loctite on this, whichever one you want to use. I just tighten down, put them on, and if the screw comes loose, I mean, I've always got a screwdriver or something on me, or I've got a knife or something that I can use to kind of tighten it back down. If you're a realistic, you know, concealed carrier, then and you're not trying to be a weekend warrior or something like that.
Looks like I'm out.
Then you can really, then you wouldn't care less too much about you know, rapidly drawn from concealment and stuff like that. You want the holster to be able to hold up. That's the most you want. So that's that. Now, time to show you guys. This is the holster I ordered from Amazon a while back. It's the BBF makes. Now the clip is not too good on it. It has no type of retention to it at all. As you can see, you got to really pull it high, as you can see, to sit there and get it to make that noise. And this gun is in duty, but nothing in the chamber, no magazine. We're good to go. All right. That is a high vis fiber optic front sight. They're pretty good and they're inexpensive. So if you can't afford a tritium, or if you can't afford True Glow, high vis has been around for a very long time. Jerry Michalik uses it, and he's a well-known shooter. So this is a regular Edc holster. I've tightened this screw down as far as it could go, and nothing. I mean, it just barely holds the gun there. You can draw from it very easily, and it slides right back in. But as soon as you turn it upside down, the gun, with a little bit of shaking, will slide right up out of there, and we don't want that. Now, here's the new holster. Okay, slides right in, fits nice and tight. You got to kind of pull it out to get it going. And it fits. Now there is a tad bit of space. right here. Now that's not too bad compared to some of the other holsters that I've seen. The gun stops here and the space all right here. So that's not too bad, I can deal with that. And you still get the little space right here. And it looks like it's cut out perfect to get that grip. To draw that firearm out. I just had to pull that kind of hard. Draw that firearm out. And you got a positive click for retention. So this is what I'll be wearing for the next few weeks. Like I said, 24 bucks. These were $12. I've even seen them for $8. And I think I bought them for $8 the last time around. This time they were $12, but it's still not that bad. So 24, 12, positive retention, lock up. You can get a combat grip on it. It's gonna hold the gun a lot closer. I didn't show you guys that. Okay, do you see that? Do you see how that curves and contours to the body? That fits the hip in the proper way so that the gun is so snug against you, it doesn't leave much to print. Now once again, I am in Texas. Printing is not a problem out here. Will it make somebody uncomfortable? Yes, but at the end of the day, your fear is your fear. Make sure if you are carrying, you're carrying the right way. You're willing to deal with whatever comes your way, whether it's a bad guy or whether it's somebody who called the cops on you because they're afraid that you're a bad guy with a gun. Have the proper documentation, your ID, your concealed carry, or a license to carry as they are now. I mean, I don't care if you carry your social and birth certificate on you. Make sure you have the proper identification. So if you are stopped by a police officer, give them your identification. Don't make it a big deal. It is what it is. As soon as you get it over with, they'll go on about their way. You go on about your way. They will not confiscate your firearm. Just don't give them a hard time. Let them do their job. Go home to your family. So I'm going to try this holster on for you guys really fast. You guys see how it fits. See how it holds the gun to me. All right, you guys, as you can see, we have the holster. And I've showed you guys this before. What you do is loosen your belt a little bit. You slide it on at an angle. The reason why I slide it on at an angle is because it's got these little locking tabs that once it slides on your belt, this side locks down and so does this one, and you can't pull it off. So what I do is I slide it on at an angle. You slide this on regular. What I do is I'll tighten my belt up. Now you can see how that fits. Don't mind my man Pudge. Now you see how that fits. Firearm, nothing in it, no magazine. That's on there. Put your shirt down. This is a large shirt. I'm 6'4", 230 pounds. That's sitting there and that's fine. I mean, that's there. And I like that. So, you said you can still draw your firearm and get everything off. So, this is how I'll be carrying my firearm for the time being, for the next couple of weeks. I don't worry too much about printing, like I said, but at the same time, it's all for me, it's about comfort. The more comfortable you are, the more you'll carry. All right, you guys, so I appreciate you all stopping in to check out the video. I hope you enjoyed the information that I gave you. And if you are interested in these companies, like I said, you got holsterbuilder.com, and this other one is IFK infused holsters, high infused Kydex holsters, and this is US brand. So if you're a big advocate for buying stuff from the US and not buying stuff overseas from one of the countries, then hey, this is a holster for you. They've got other guns that they make these for. Like I said, 24 bucks is what I paid for mine. It took about 2 days to get it in, and I'm back out carrying. Hope you all enjoy your 4th of July with your family. Stay safe out there, stay vigilant. I'm out.